today we are back in Merseyside for more train spotting today, here at Mossley Hill. The train that's just in front of me is a Northern 195, which is forming the 1416 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Warrington Central, which brought me in from Widnes. It is 195102. forms the 1416 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Warrington Central, which brought me in from Widnes, which did brought me in from Widnes, me messing up my words. But anyways, today here at Mossley Hill, you'll be seeing services by Northern, London North Western Railway, Transpennine Express, Avanti West Coast, and Transport for Wales. You would normally see East Midlands Railway, but I am recording this video while the Stockport works are happening. Stockport works. So there's no EMR going to Liverpool. They're all terminating at Sheffield. So yeah. But yep. Other than that, let's see what else or what other action shall happen here at Mossley Hill. I shall see us all when the next train comes, everybody. Now arriving in is going to be the 1420 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street with a class 730. It's 7:32:12. This forming the 1420 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street, one of London North Western Railway's brand new toys with a class 730. And yes, do mention that London North Western Railway do call here now. Forgot to mention earlier, but yes, I shall see us all when this service departs. Now departing is going to be the 1420 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street. Departing Mossley Hill now, it's 7:32:12. This is off to its next stop of Liverpool South Parkway. And as that 7:30 heads off down the West Coast Mainline, I shall see us all when the next train comes. Now passing through is going to be a Transport for Wales class 197, which is forming the 1422 Transport for Wales service to Liverpool Lime Street from Chester. 197103. This 197 forms the 1422 Transport for Wales service to Liverpool Lime Street from Chester. And as that heads up to its next and final stop on Liverpool Lime Street, I shall see us all when the next train comes. Now passing through is going to be the 1425 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street with another class 730. Is on this London North Western Railway class 730, which is forming the 1425 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street. This is the one that called at Winsford, Hertford and Acton Bridge, this service. But anyways, as that is to its next and final stop on Liverpool Lime Street, I shall see us all when the next train comes here at Mossley Hill, everybody. Now passing through is going to be a Transpennine Express class 185, which is forming the 1427 Transpennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street to Cleethorpes. 185112 at the front. And 185105 is at the rear, which is forming the 1427 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes from Liverpool Lime Street at the double class 185. And as that is to its next stop at Liverpool South Parkway, I shall see us all when the next train comes here at Mossley Hill, everybody. Now arriving in is going to be the 1425 1432, apologies. Northern service to Manchester Oxford Road from Liverpool Lime Street with a 150. This is forming 1432 Northern service to Manchester Oxford Road from Liverpool Lime Street with a 150. 15131 is at the front as this is a double 150. And I shall catch the rear set of this when this departs. Now arriving in is going to be the 1434 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street with a 350 this time. 35122 is on this double London North Western Railway class 350, and then also now departing is going to be that double set of Northern 150s, which is off to Manchester Oxford Road now. 35122 is on this with the 1434 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street. 15140 is on the rear of the double Northern 150, which is off to Manchester Oxford Road now. And as that 150 departing as this 350 boards, I shall see us all when this London North Western Railway 350 departs. Now departing is going to be the 1434 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street with a London North Western Railway class 350 with 35122. This is forming 1434 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street. And it is 35122. And as this London North Western Railway 350 heads up off to Liverpool Lime Street, I shall see us all when the next train comes here at Mossley Hill, everybody. Now passing through is going to be the 1452 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Liverpool Lime Street. 39013. Forms the 1452 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Liverpool Lime Street with a 390 Pendolino, and as that is off to its next stop of Runcorn, I shall see us all when the next train comes. Now passing through is going to be another London North Western Railway class 730, which is forming the 1454 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street. 73218. This is off with the 1454 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street, and as that's off to his next stop of Liverpool South Parkway, I shall see us all what happens next. Now passing through is going to be an Avanti West Coast class 807, which is forming the 1457 Avanti West Coast service to Liverpool Lime Street. 807003. This Avanti West Coast 807 is forming the 1456 Avanti West Coast service to Liverpool Lime Street from London Euston. And as that heads off to Liverpool Lime Street, I shall see us all when the next train comes, everybody. Now passing through is going to be another train. It is going to be a Transport for Wales class 197, which is forming the 1459 Transport for Wales service to Chester from Liverpool Lime Street. (197-103). This is off with the 1459 Transport for Wales service to Chester from Liverpool Lime Street, and as that's off to Liverpool South Parkway, I shall see us all when the next train comes. Now passing through is going to be a Transpennine Express class 185, which is forming the 1501 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Oxford Road from Liverpool Lime Street 185127. This is off now with the 1407 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Oxford Road from Liverpool Lime Street, which does that weekly Saturday thing while there's no EMR here. But as that heads off, as you see, is all what happens next. Now arriving in is going to be the 1504 Northern service to Warrington Central from Liverpool Lime Street with another 195. And this is the return of 195102 with the 1504 Northern service to Warrington Central from Liverpool Lime Street with 195102. And as this now arrives in, as you see, is all when this Northern 195 departs. Now arriving in is going to be the 1502 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Manchester Oxford Road with a 156 and a 150. 156403 is at the front. Nice tones. And I'll catch the rear set of this 150 when this departs, and also now departing is 195102 with the 1504 Northern service to Warrington Central from Liverpool Lime Street. That's into his next stop at West Allerton. And as this 156 and 150 boards now, as you see, is all when this departs. Now departing is going to be the 1504 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Manchester Oxford Road. 156403 at the front. And 15146 is at the rear with the 1504 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Manchester Oxford Road. And as this heads to its next stop of Edge Hill, I shall see us all for our next train. Now passing through is going to be our final train of today, which will be a double London North Western Railway Class 350 passing through with the delayed 1508 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street 35371 at the front and 35117 at the rear with the delayed 1412 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street. And as that heads off, we shall call today's video here at Mossley Hill. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe as always. That would mean a lot to me and the channel. But yes, we've seen quite a few trains today, but I do like this station a lot and I would come here again. But as for me here at Mossley Hill, I shall see you all in the next video. Peace out.